Hello, I am Inara Khan, a highly skilled digital marketer specializing in market research and lead generation. With years of experience in the field, I have helped numerous clients increase their online presence, generate leads, and grow their revenue. My expertise in market research enables me to provide valuable insights into specific markets, including identifying competitors, target audiences, and industry trends. My digital marketing skills include search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising, Facebook ads, Google ads, etc. By utilizing these techniques, I can help your business reach its target audience and drive traffic to your website. My lead generation techniques are proven to be highly effective, and I can help you get more leads and ultimately more sales. I use a customized approach for each client, taking into account their unique needs and goals. If you're looking for a dedicated and experienced digital marketer who can help you achieve your business objectives, then look no further. Let's work together to take your business to the next level. Contact me now to schedule a consultation. A specialized profile in marketing strategy on Upwork should showcase your expertise in developing and implementing effective marketing plans that drive business growth. It should include details on your experience in conducting market research, analyzing data, identifying target audiences, and creating relevant messaging and content. Additionally, your profile should highlight your expertise in leveraging various marketing channels, such as social media, email, and PPC, to reach and engage with audiences effectively. This profile should also outline your skills in measuring the success of campaigns through metrics such as lead generation, conversion rates, and ROI. Ultimately, your specialized profile should demonstrate your ability to help clients achieve their marketing goals and improve their bottom line through innovative and data-driven strategies. As a skilled and experienced professional, I offer a perfect blend of expertise in sales and development. With over 5 years of experience in the industry, I have honed my skills in providing solutions that align with customer requirements. My approach to business development is tailored to your unique needs, and I am dedicated to working closely with clients to understand their specific requirements. From the initial assessment, I provide a personalized plan of action that will help realize your sales and development objectives.